More than 1 million people now have tested positive for COVID-19, but it's important to keep in mind thousands of people have recovered. And now the FDA wants to test COVID-19 survivors' blood for a possible cure.
We're all just very excited here to do this. We're working with multiple large institutions, and we're very hopeful. We've got a few donors already recruited. We haven't drawn them yet. We're waiting on them to hit that 28-day mark.
A local blood bank is helping with the possibly life-saving research. News4JAX reporter Janice Harris is following that story.
Right now, there is no cure for COVID-19, but the plasma donations could help in finding one. As doctors and nurses are working to save lives, other scientists are working to find a cure. As of April 6, more than 1 million people around the world have tested positive for COVID-19, but over 276,000 people have survived. The Food, Drug and Administration believes a cure or vaccine could be in the survivors' blood. President Trump has mentioned the initiative often in the last 7 days. Local blood bank LifeSouth Community Blood Center is working with survivors in the race for a possible cure.
The idea is that once you've recovered, if we can collect that plasma from you, then we can put that into somebody who's very ill, and it'll give them a boost.
According to a JAMA report, using plasma is not a new idea. Quote, it was used for severe acute respiratory syndrome known as SARS, H1N1, and H5N1, Ebola, and other viral infections. The study also showed people were more likely to live after getting blood plasma from survivors. LifeSouth is partnering with medical centers in Florida, Georgia, and Alabama to collect plasma from COVID-19 patients. Here's how they can donate. They have to be a positive COVID-19 source, test positive, at least 14 days symptom-free, and then a negative test. Or they can have 28 days symptom-free, and then they can donate.
The FDA has essentially cleared it to say, we're not certain that this works, but we have enough evidence that we really want to try it and get it out there and see what we can do. And they have high hopes that it's going to work pretty well.
This research could take several months before there is a solid answer. But in the meantime, they are looking for donors. If you would like to donate, we have put the phone number and email inside this story on our website, news4jax.com. Janice Harris, Channel 4, the local station.